Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by using recent glucose trends to identify if dawn rises occur. This guides everything. Once you confirm patterns, take a low GI protein snack 1-2 hours before bed to blunt early morning glucose spikes. Make sure evening carbs and alcohol are eliminated within 3 hours of sleep because they amplify hormone-driven glucose release. You're initiating behavior changes that directly reduce overnight hepatic glucose output. These first steps already lower risk without medication and prepare you for stabilization tonight. Once you've adjusted evening intake, focus on stabilizing sleep and activity because hormones regulate glucose overnight. You should keep bed and wake times within 30 minutes to normalize circadian rhythms, which helps prevent hormonal surges. Add 20-30 minutes of light activity a few hours before sleep to improve insulin sensitivity. Don't exercise intensely right before bed. Also, practice 10 minutes of calming breathing to reduce cortisol. Lower stress hormones mean less. You finish by confirming results and making small adjustments. Use CGM or fingerstick checks around 3 to 4 a.m. for several nights to see if glucose still climbs. Data lets you tweak timing or portion size of the bedtime protein. If rises persist, try moving the snack 30-60 minutes earlier or increase protein modestly, then recheck. Make sure to log sleep, meals, and stress so you can troubleshoot patterns. If nothing changes, share the log with your clinician for further evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.